Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Porsche Cayenne guys, first generation, I'm talking the generation from year 2002 to 2010, and you're guys trying to locate your alarm, Siren. Okay, we'll show you guys where it's located. Now we'll have a separate video that will explain how to get to it, how to remove it, how to replace it guys. Quick introduction, we'll have more than 200 videos on a Porsche Cayenne and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need any tools and parts guys, usually we have the links in the description of the video below. That way you can check out if you need something and see where you can get it from. Now, we have everything taken apart, so that will be a super quick video just to explain where it's located. What are the symptoms of that siren guys when it starts going out? First thing, when they start going out, what will happen? It will get weak. It will be almost super weak to the point that you cannot hear it more than probably 20 feet away. Then all of a sudden will get weaker and weaker, and one day it will just quit working guys. And another thing, that siren when it goes bad, what we experience? Battery drain. Why? Because it's not working, it's activating the alarm, and as a result guys we get a battery drain, which is terrible because every 2-3 days the battery dies on it. And most likely it's from that thing. We thought it was the radio, but we did some messing with it and we got to the conclusion that it's the alarm actually going off. Now usually on top right here guys you have that cover, you have the fuse box, all that is there. We have a video how to take it apart. Okay, you can check it out, but you have to take the whole fuse box apart here. Why? Because right underneath all that guys, okay, let me come actually from this side. Under all that now, okay, I'm trying to get the best view I can. These guys, okay, let me show you now. Under all that now, down there, that's where your alarm is. Okay. You can see that thing right here. So you have to take the whole fuse box apart. There is one bolt holding it here. This is your brake pump. So it's practically all the way back there, super hidden, hard to get to guys. You can see. But that's where, okay, that's where it's located. So hopefully guys you can get the idea where it's located. Now again, we'll have a video how to remove and replace it. Also guys, if you need any help with that while we are still having that Porsche, drop a comment below and we'll try our best guys to make a video for your problem. As you know, if you have the VA, the weak spot is the cooling system. We have that super detailed video how to replace and update your cooling system with the pipes and all that stuff. That's a weak spot on those. Starter, it's a very helpful video as well. Many people actually contact me about starter replacement, so we made one. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.